Huawei has just sued MediaTek in China, and it is quite curious because MediaTek could be an ally of Huawei after all the restrictions it is experiencing. So currently, Huawei does not have the capability to use various Qualcomm chips, and so far, it has not been seen that Huawei is interested in using MediaTek chips either. However, to be able to use them, these MediaTek chips would also need to use non-American technology for their development, and that is probably not the case. In short, this lawsuit by Huawei against MediaTek aims for Huawei to receive certain royalties for each chip that MediaTek sells, as it is using a patent registered by Huawei for the management of G, and J networks. So, Huawei has already formally initiated the entire legal process in China. Various media outlets have asked MediaTek what they have to say about it, and MediaTek has simply stated that it is not a serious issue and they will not provide more information as it will not have a significant impact on the company. Currently, Huawei receives royalties from other Chinese manufacturers that use its patents, such as Oppo and Xiaomi, and even companies like Samsung and Apple also have to pay it some royalties, which is very normal in the world of phone manufacturing. Not only does Huawei receive royalties, but also Samsung and surely other companies that are involved in the development of the smallest components. For now, there isn't much more information on the matter. It will likely be handled very quietly, as Huawei is probably just looking to obtain this benefit and is not actually seeking to directly affect MediaTek. Currently, Huawei is one of the companies that files the most patent applications per year, so it is not unusual to see this type of conflict with other companies to receive royalties for any technological development they have achieved.